4K family, I'm Chris, back with you today. We're going to do another product comparison. You guys saw last time that I did the Chemical Guys glass cleaner, their Hydro View, I believe it's called. Saw it didn't really work out to what I would expect from that price point. Today I've seen another commercial from Chemical Guys, this one involving their butter wet wax. They show it used on plastic trim to basically renew a shine even better than stock to it. So we're gonna go ahead and give that a test today. I've always used the old Meguiar's or Mother's Back to Black product, and it's worked okay. It's never really impressed me a whole lot. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a try and see how that compares and if it really does what the commercials say it does. Well, I apologize for the sun. The lighting might not be perfect for this, but you can see this mirror has now been outside for a little over 3 years. The oxidation is starting. You can see little spots of it. It's not terrible yet, but we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. The instructions of this butter wet wax say to shake well to make sure that the surface is clean, and then apply using a foam or microfiber applicator pad, and then buff off using a premium quality microfiber towel for a deep wet shine. So we'll go ahead and give that a try. We'll use microfiber to put it down and a different cloth to pull it back up, and we'll just see if we can get a noticeably better shine here on this. Okay, this is a brand new bottle. We just took the little seal off on the inside, so we'll apply a couple drops. Oh, that came out a little bit more than I thought. To a microfiber towel here. Go ahead, kind of spread it around here. Really work it in. Kind of see how far we can spread it. Add a little bit more to this. Soak into the towel. And there you go, 3 dots. Start on the bottom. Okay, so that's pretty well covered. It doesn't say to let it sit or wait or anything like that, so we'll go ahead and buff it off before it dries. Definitely feels smooth and slick. That over, give it another wipe down. Okay, so we can already see, I mean, that is much better shine than even that over there. So face value, it really does look like it works pretty well. The big thing I'm worried about is how it'll last. Exposure to the elements and see if it wears off. It doesn't seem to leave any white residue or anything on the plastic, which is good. So with that, we'll go ahead and do the rest of the truck, and we'll stay tuned to see if it really does last and if it seems to make a difference. I might do a video showing the Back to Black comparison, but I think most of you guys that are watching this channel have already used that product before and are pretty well aware of its limitations. So quick video, butter wet wax from Chemical Guys, seems to work. As always, appreciate you guys watching the channel. I do want to ask if there's anything you guys use for plastic trim that seems to work. Not even too worried about the deep shine of the plastic, just something that kind of keeps it OEM looking for a longer period of time, avoiding oxidation. So anything like that, please leave in the comments. Otherwise, check back. We'll kind of do a report video on the Hydro View, how long it's held up, how it has held up over time, and we'll do a follow-up video on this one as well, see how these products have held up, if they're really worth their price and that sort of thing here in the future. But so far, surface value, very impressed. Do like a lot of the Chemical Guys products, so stay tuned and there will be more.